Hello, today we are making some Brussels sprouts from our garden. So this is the time of year we really want to start using up the vegetables we have. And so I took out a bunch of our Brussels sprouts out of the freezer, let them thaw, and I'm gonna do some onion and garlic powder and then salt and then some oil. And we're gonna mix that all together. I'm gonna do about a teaspoon of each, the onion and garlic powder, and then salt to taste, and then drizzle some of the oil just to keep that stuck onto them. And then we're gonna bake them at 400 for about 25 to 30 minutes. But the best part is the Parmesan you're gonna put on the bottom. So I'm gonna mix these around, drizzle some oil, just enough to keep the seasoning on there. And then I have my pan. I'm doing mozzarella and Parmesan. So you lay out flat your Parmesan or your mozzarella and then the Parmesan. I'm gonna grate that over. Okay, so I'm going to grate my Parmesan over the, you can put as little as or as much as you'd like. They both have a little bit different of flavors. And then when they come out of the oven, they're gonna have a nice crust to the bottom. Okay, so that seems like enough. I'm gonna take out my Brussels sprouts that are coated, and then I'm just gonna literally stack them. I have them cut in half. That's how I normally freeze them. They thaw faster, and they're kind of already squishy, so you don't have to boil them. And we had a lot of Brussels sprouts. Our kids really like them nice and crunchy instead of more boiled, like soggier. So I'm just gonna fill this whole pan. Okay, here they are all nestled in their cheese bed, and they're going to go in our oven. It's all preheated, 400. And there they will get all nice and crispy. All right, here's how they turned out. They're nice and crispy. The edges are a little brown, and you can see all that melty cheese between there. You peel it off. It's so hot. The pan, you can see under there that's all nice and crispy. So yummy. I have a little helper who wants to eat them. Yum, 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 yum.